So as you guys know, I went Black Friday shopping and I wanted to show you guys, is that lipstick on my teeth? Yes, yes it is. As you guys know, I went Black Friday shopping and I wanted to show you guys a few of the things that I got. Thing number one is this All the Things planner by MrsKevOnStage. I know you didn't think I was going to sit up here and do a whole Black Friday opening, box opening, what I got, what I didn't get, and it was going to be a bunch of other brands when I release stuff. You got me twisted up in bed. I'm finna show you this merch, so sit back and watch. So this is my brand new planner for 2023, All the Things. I'm very proud of it. Some of things are the same, some things are different. I added more color and I added at the beginning of every month like an encouragement quote, so to speak. This one says, "Greatness is in you." This is actually something my mom used to say to me and my sisters when we were younger, and she says it to all of our kids, so essentially her grandkids. This one is, "Be aggressively genuine." This is one of my favorite quotes. It's actually by Patrick Cloud, so shout out to him. And then at the beginning of every month, you have a lined paper to do your monthly to-dos, to write out your monthly to-dos there. And then in here, you have your month at a glance, so you can see the month in full. I really like seeing the month like this, and then I like to write out the things that I want to do on each of the days here. There's notes on the bottom, so you can add notes for that week that you need to have done. At the end of every month ends with this page like this, and this is your month at a glance, and then you can write down your priorities and goals for the month, important dates like birthdays, anniversaries, dentist appointments, whatever have you. And then over here is additional space to write notes. I'm thinking about revamping everything All Things Melissa, or All the Things with MKOS, because, you know, I pretty much am all the things. And it has these gold corners, which I love. It just screams like elegance to me. And yeah, so this is available right now. A link in the bio, a link in the bio. The second thing that I got is this main character energy hoodie. It's in beige. I love it. And I even got the MKOS logo stitched for the label inside the shirt, which makes me very excited, and this little custom tag that makes me very excited. Should I try it on? Of course I should. This is what it looks like on. This is a size small. I did not get women's cut because I know that's not comfortable for everyone, so it's more of a unisex cut. So it's not fitted here, which gives you a lot more room. I love this color actually. And that's it, child. Be the main character. The next thing that I got is this jogger sweatshirt, the I'm Worth It, as is, without change, without exception. So it's 2 pieces. Quality is amazing. First of all, yes to the custom label. So it comes as a crew neck, and you get these sweatpants with it as well. I'll try it on. So I definitely just got alcohol in this because I didn't feel like putting on my cap. So this is just a little bottle of alcohol that I actually leave in here for this very reason. And I'm just going to wipe the makeup away. This is the I'm Worth It jogger set. The pants are actually very comfortable. This is now what I'll be wearing today. They're a little bit baggy. I'm wearing a small, not an extra small. I actually don't think I'm an extra small. I hate when I have to wear extra small clothes. There's a tie here. There's pockets. Let me know what you guys think about it. If you guys just want the crew neck by itself, let me know. Or if you want this in a hoodie, let me know, because your girl's in charge. It might take me a little bit. I do have to tell my supplier. Okay, so listen, while I am the boss, right? Like, I can make it happen. I do have to tell my supplier, and then it takes them a little while. So I can get it to you just maybe by the spring. That's all. But listen, let me know in the comments, okay? Link in the bio. Link in the bio.